Free traffic methods to build your email list. In order to build an email list, you will need to drive traffic to your squeeze page. There are free traffic methods you can use to do this, which we will explore here. You can use paid traffic to build your email list too, and we will discuss this in the next video. Promote your squeeze page on your website. You are already receiving traffic to your website, so it will cost you nothing to promote your email newsletter, your squeeze page, on your website. We recommend that you do this on every post and page of your site. This is easy to achieve if you use the WordPress blogging platform. There should be a sidebar with your theme, and you can add an image of your incentive here which explains the benefits. If you don't use a sidebar, then you can create a footer instead, so that as your visitors scroll down each of your pages, they will see the benefits of your incentive. If you want to use pop-ups on your website pages, then you can do that. Be careful when you do this, as you do not want the pop-up to appear every time that your visitor goes from one page to another. Always provide an option for the visitor to close the pop-up and never force them to opt into your list through a pop-up. After a visitor has closed your pop-up, make sure that it does not appear again while your visitor is navigating through your site. There are plugins available for WordPress that make creating pop-ups easy. Make sure that there is a close feature and that the pop-up will not keep appearing on a single visit. SEO optimize all of your pages. You are unlikely to rank a squeeze page in the search engine results, as Google and the others will not consider that it is of high enough quality in terms of textual content. So, the best thing to do is to drive more traffic to your website overall by using search engine optimization, SEO. It is essential that you identify the search terms that people are using in your niche and optimize your website and your individual pages for these. Keyword research will uncover these terms, and you can use the keywords that you identify for optimization. Try to find long-tail keywords for your website. These are keywords that are not too competitive, but have a decent amount of search volume. You can sometimes rank your web pages for these terms without the need for any external links. Backlinks. Instagram bio. With Instagram, you can add a link in your bio to your squeeze page. Write a good bio that explains the benefits of your incentive and why Instagram users should go to your squeeze page and sign up. You will need to build a good following on Instagram and make regular posts that are related to your niche. This is not a quick free traffic solution, but if you are consistent with your efforts, then you should get quite a few subscribers from this tactic. Twitter pinned tweet. With Twitter, you can create a tweet about your squeeze page and pin this to the top of your feed. Be sure to add an enticing call to action in the tweet to persuade Twitter users to check out your squeeze page and become a subscriber. When people visit your profile page on Twitter, which a lot will, they will see your pinned tweet about your squeeze page right at the top. You will need to increase the number of followers that you have on Twitter for this to be really effective. Facebook page CTA. If you don't have a Facebook page for your business, then create one today. It is easy and free to do this. Add a striking cover to your page and create a button on the page for users to go to your squeeze page and sign up. Facebook provides a sign up button that you can use. Add valuable content to your Facebook page on a regular basis. As with all social media strategies, this tactic will work better the more followers that you have. Facebook is a great social platform to use for free traffic to your squeeze page. Pinterest CTA. Pinterest is an excellent platform for driving free traffic to your squeeze page. You can create pins and then add a CTA which will take users to your squeeze page. Creating pins is not that difficult, and you can use a free service like Canva.com to create them easily. It is worth making the effort with Pinterest, as it receives over 1 billion visitors every month, and this number is growing. There are many Pinterest boards, and you should find some that you can contribute pins to that are related to your niche. Again, you will need to build up a following on Pinterest to get the best from this tactic. YouTube channel. YouTube is the second biggest website in the world. More than 40 billion visitors use it every month. It is not as difficult to create videos as you may think. There are plenty of good tools and services available today to help you create awesome videos. With each video that you upload, add a link to your squeeze page in the description box. Also, add a link to this in your YouTube channel page. Do some keyword research and optimize all of your videos correctly for the keyword terms you identify. Host a giveaway. In some niches, there are regular giveaway events where businesses and individuals provide something of high quality for free in return for an email sign-up. If these giveaways do not exist in your niche, then you can host a giveaway on your website. To get the best results from giveaways, you need to provide something that your audience really wants. It also needs to provide value and be of the highest quality. You can use your social accounts to drive traffic to your giveaway. Promote it on your website too. In the next video, we will discuss paid traffic methods to build your email list.